With a budget of $550 to build your own PC, you can build a machine capable of handling any game at 1080p with ease, but it requires the perfect combination of hardware components to get the best results. In this video, we're going to be discussing a PC build that costs just $550. And we're gonna try to squeeze as much performance as we could from this budget. So, let's get started. First up, we have the ASRock Z590 Pro 4. This motherboard is a reliable and robust option, with a sleek design and support for the 11th Gen Intel processors. It comes with multiple PCIe slots, M.2 sockets, and up to 128GB of DDR4 memory, which make it a very good base for future upgrades. And it also offers ARGB features that you can synchronize with the case that we'll be presenting later in this video. Next, we have the Intel Core i5-11400F. This powerful processor offers a base clock speed of 2.6 GHz and can boost up to 4.4 GHz. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it's perfect for gaming and other CPU-intensive tasks. For memory, we have two 8GB sticks of Corsair Vengeance LPX 3200. It's one of the most popular memory kits among gamers and offers fast and stable performance and great value, and it is the go-to memory kit for any budget build. For storage, we have the Western Digital Blue SN570. This high-performance NVMe SSD offers excellent read and write speeds and is a 500GB drive that's perfect for storing your operating system and games, which you can upgrade anytime you desire via the multiple SATA slots that the motherboard offers. Now, let's talk about the graphics card. We have the Sapphire Pulse Radeon RX 6500 XT 4GB. This graphics card is designed for high-performance gaming and other graphics-intensive applications. It features 4GB of GDDR6 memory and is powered by the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. This graphics card is perfect for 1080p gaming and can run most modern games with ease. Moving on to the case, we have the DIY-PC Shadow H3 ARGB. This stylish and modern case offers excellent build quality and plenty of features. It comes with ARGB fans and a tempered glass side panel, making it perfect for showcasing your build. Lastly, we have the Thermaltake Smart 500W power supply. This reliable and affordable option offers stable power delivery and is 80+ certified, meaning it's highly efficient and can save you money on your electricity bill. So, there you have it. For just $550, you can build a powerful gaming PC that can handle any game at 1080p with ease. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.